Stop tensing up, dude. Stop tensing up, bro. Stop tensing up.
Let go of me.
Stop tensing up.
No, I am an introvert. Please respect the boundaries that I am speaking.
While certain officers shamelessly betray their sacred oath and ruthlessly abuse their power, today you'll witness instant karma delivering a devastating blow. Let's examine the chilling case of Walter Scott, shot in the back by Officer Slager during a traffic stop. On April 4th, 2015, Walter Scott was shot in the back by the police as he tried to flee following a traffic stop. A video recorded by a bystander shows Scott being shot multiple times while running away, even though he was unarmed. Slager fired 8 shots at Scott as he ran away, striking him 5 times, including 3 in the back.
Oh shit.
Under 18 U.S. Code Section 242, whoever, under color of any law, statute, ordinance, regulation, or custom, willfully subjects any person in any state, territory, commonwealth, possession, or district to the deprivation of any rights, privileges, or immunities secured or protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States, or to different punishments, pains, or penalties on account of such person being an alien or by reason of their color or race, then are prescribed for the punishment of citizens, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 1 year, or both. And if bodily injury results from acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts include the use, attempted use, or threatened use of a dangerous weapon, explosives, or fire, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 10 years, or both. And if death results from the acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts include kidnapping, an attempt to kidnap, aggravated sexual abuse, an attempt to commit aggravated sexual abuse, or an attempt to kill, shall be fined under this title, or imprisoned for any term of years or for life, or both, or may be sentenced to death. On Thursday, Michael Slager, who was fired as a North Charleston patrolman days after the shooting, was sentenced to 20 years behind bars after pleading guilty in Scott's death. U.S. District Judge David Norton, in issuing the sentence, said Slager shot Scott with malice and recklessness, and then gave false testimony to investigators. Norton ruled that Slager, 36, was guilty of second-degree murder and obstruction of justice, and he also sentenced Slager to 2 years of supervision after his release. On August 24, 2019, Elijah McClain was walking home from a convenience store when someone called 911 saying he looked suspicious, was wearing a ski mask, and waving his arms.
911, what is the address of the emergency?
Black Hawk or something like that. Let me check real quick.
Okay.
Union Street and Black Hawk.
Okay, is it Black Hawk Way, Black Hawk? I don't show you, what I'm saying is I don't show you anywhere near Billings and Black Hawk.
What about Billings Street and Evergreen Avenue?
Okay, that's where I show you near. Okay, what's the phone number you're calling from? And your name?
quad. So there's a guy. He's walking south. Yeah, he's walking south on Billing Street. And he has a mask on.
Okay.
And then when I pass by him, he puts his hands up and does all these kinds of signs. I don't know. He looks sketchy. He might be a good person or a bad person.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put a call in so officers can go see what's going on. Okay. Are you still at that location now? When did this happen? When did you see him?
Right now, he's like, I just turned around and he's like putting his hands up.
Okay, don't approach him, okay? If you need to, just drive away. I don't want you to go near him. Were any weapons involved or mentioned?
No.
Okay, I already have a call in, okay? I need to get his full description.
I think he's a black male.
What color's the mask, or what does it look like?
Black.
Black mask. And then what else is he wearing?
Oh, I don't know. He's pretty dark colors, like a brown long sleeve shirt.
Okay.
And then black sweats.
Okay. You or anyone else in danger right now?
No.
Okay. We have this call in, sir. Don't approach that person and do not disturb anything at the scene. We are going to have officers dispatched to check the area and try and locate him, okay? So don't follow him or anything. We're going to have officers come check the area, okay?
Okay.
The police located McClain and asked him to stop because they found his behavior suspicious. McClain, an introvert, asked the officers to respect his boundaries and explained that he was just heading home. Despite his objections, the police restrained him, and McClain repeatedly asked them to let him go.
Hey, stop right there. Stop. 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 I have a right to stop you because you're being suspicious. Stop. Stop tensing up, dude. Stop tensing up, bro. Stop tensing up. Stop tensing up.
No, I am an introvert. Please respect the boundaries that I am speaking.
Stop tensing up.
Stop.
Relax.
Stop. I'm going home.
Stop.
Leave me alone.
Stop.
Can you please
No,
cooperate?
can you leave me alone? Now let go of me.
Let's get over to the grass.
Lay you down.
Just write your gun, dude.
Stop, dude.
Tensing up. Listen to me, bro.
Let go of me.
This isn't gonna go well.
No, I am an introvert. Please respect the boundaries. Leave me alone.
Sir, can you please?
No,
We don't wanna do
can
this,
you
all right?
leave me alone?
No, we're gonna.
First
we're
off,
gonna talk
you guys started to arrest me, and I was stopping my music to listen. It's not going to be an arrest. I intend to take my power back, and I intend to
We're
be.
gonna move forward with him, okay?
I intend to be sensitive.
According to the Fourth Amendment, the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue, but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. As the police officers struggled to restrain McClain, they attempted various holds, including a carotid hold, which restricts blood flow to the brain to render a person unconscious.
Stop, dude. All right, we got his arms. We got his arms. You want him? Yep, we got his arms. No, not yet. Let go of your arms, dude. Let go of the choke. I got him. I got him.
Wouldn't have fire start.
Put your arm out, dude. You can't get it. I can't get it. Let go of your arm.
Okay, I've got his other arm. Okay.
You have another arm? Cup that on. Okay. He's flipping. He's flipping.
Dude, just stop fighting. Taser, taser, taser in a second. You're gonna get tased in a second. Stop fighting.
Stop fighting. You're gonna get tased.
Stop, dude.
Get off the chest.
Relax.
Just relax.
Relax.
No. Where's his other hand?
I got it here. It's in a bar hammer.
Excessive force refers to force in excess of what a police officer reasonably believes is necessary. A police officer may be held liable for using excessive force in an arrest, an investigatory stop, or other seizures. A police officer may also be liable for not preventing another police officer from using excessive force. The police called for medical assistance when McClain began vomiting, saying he couldn't breathe normally. They placed him in various positions to control his movements, and the officers discussed his physical strength.
282. We got him tased. still fighting us in the ground.
My name is Elijah McClain. I'm a trooper and I'm blueprint.
No. Snoring.
I just don't like going home. I'm just different. So sorry. I have no gun. I don't do that stuff. I don't do any fighting. Why would you touch me? I don't do guns. I don't even kill flies. I don't judge people.
No, I mean, I tried to stop him. He started walking away.
I try to live a secret.
When we showed him up,
And all
when we
like,
showed up, he was wearing a suit.
all I was trying to do was become better.
We started it because he reached for
He was
Rose's
like,
gun,
nigga, let's have some.
and we had him on the wall. So I put my camera in the grass.
No, the heartbeat called.
All
I
life.
saw him walk
I'll
himself.
do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. Sure. I just,
Look at this.
you all are phenomenal. That's great. You are beautiful. Oh, oh, that really hurt. You guys are very strong.
There's another body camera. It's probably split like this past season.
Right here. Pair of glasses. That's it. Alright.
I lost the cups
Cups right here. So, there's glasses and a phone right over here.
One more body camera too somewhere.
Right here.
Stop.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I wasn't trying to do that. I can't breathe correctly because.
Do we have the gun?
No, he went for his gun.
Oh, my God.
If you can bend his knees a little bit, so he can balance himself.
He's kicking around a little bit. What's up?
Your cell phone is in the car.
I think so. Is it an iPhone?
With a red case?
No. Can you find sandy wipes for me somewhere, please? From anybody? Yeah, anything, please.
Here you go. Uses this. Mine. It was recording. I just shut it off because it's split in half. So something fell out right here on the grass, but I don't know what.
Gotta throw up, dude? Yeah. Throw up right there, okay? Don't throw up on me, though.
We got fire coming, right?
Yeah. I call him when you first went out. Hey, dude, relax.
I think he's trying to pee.
Oh, okay. Get it out, dude. Get it out.
You need to swap out so you can take care of that?
Nah, I'm good. You're good.
Don't
You're
get
good.
up, dude. It's not going to be good for you. I'm telling you right now.
Dude, if you keep messing around, I'm gonna bring my dog out. He's gonna dog bite you. You understand me?
Don't do it, dude.
Relax, bro. Come
Chill
on.
out.
You already lost this one. Just relax.
When the paramedics arrived, after about 15 minutes, they administered ketamine, a powerful sedative, to Mr. McClain. Mr. McClain went into cardiac arrest on the way to a hospital. He died a few days later.
We're trying to keep him on his side, dude, but he keeps fighting us. So.
He's breathing.
Stop, dude. Don't do it.
He's been patted down all right.
We haven't even got that far yet, man. My knee's on his elbow, dude. He ain't going anywhere.
Brandon, do you relief?
No, I'm good. I'm just going to pat him down, make sure he doesn't have anything.
Okay.
That's all.
I need, yeah, I need you talking about that part.
Okay, yeah, 500.
Nothing on his legs, right?
No.
I'm going to come back this way. That way we're not kneeling. And just put his arm down here. And I can drop my knee right in his tricep. And he can't move.
I'm sure he can breathe.
Yep. He can breathe. He can breathe. I just have his arm pinned behind his back. That's it. So if you take his foot and angle it outwards and put pressure on his ankle, he almost did a push-up with all three of us on his back.
Yeah, so once he gets out here, I'm going to hit him in the right shoulder.
Want some shears?
You want shoulder or ass?
Either way, just
Ass is right here, man.
Raising his legs.
You good?
Got it? Now you guys back ways.
Yeah.
you might stick your head in the ambulance and make
So I got his arm. Just keep your hands. Just drive your knuckles right there. You don't have to put pressure until he moves. All right? Just drive it right behind his ear if he fights, all right?
You always talk to the RP.
We'll give that a minute or two, see if that works. And once it is, we'll go ahead. If you guys are okay with it, we'll uncuff him. We'll go up with the right arm, down with the left, and we'll just restrain it.
Once this medicine kicks in, we're going to uncuff him, put him on the bed, and then we're going to restrain him, soft point him to the bed.
You guys have any extra gloves on you?
My back pouch right here, dude.
We're still fighting. We're still fighting what we got here. He's super died from the attack car. So I was excited to learn, and that's why we hit him with 5 of ketamine. We have no idea as far as what that's all. We'll go ahead and uncuff and take him up to you. Is he in custody or?
I'm sure
he will be.
I'm sure he will be, man.
Oh, how's he? Does he seem a little?
Let's get him on the gurney first.
Okay.
If we can.
Okay. So you guys want to do that? Be careful. Be
Yeah,
careful.
he's definitely.
All right.
Should I throw up on you guys?
And so we'll put an entitled canyon on the boat.
Give him some light.
Somebody grab this.
I got it.
You guys got them?
Good?
Yep. Thanks, sir. Okay.
A GoFundMe page created by Shaun McClain, Mr. McClain's mother, raised more than $2 million, and more than 5 million people signed an online petition demanding that the officers involved be taken off duty and that there be an in-depth investigation of the encounter. On August 11, 2020, Mr. McClain's family filed a lawsuit against the city of Aurora. The civil complaint, filed in the U.S. District Court for the District of Colorado by Mr. McClain's parents, Shaun McClain and LaWayne Mosley, sought damages for the family and named the city, 12 police officers, 2 fire department paramedics, and the department's medical director as defendants. In November 2021, city officials and lawyers for Mr. McClain's family finalized an agreement to settle the civil rights lawsuit for $15 million. Ms. McClain said the settlement came with its own pain. It's still blood money, because that money has my son's blood on it. Mr. Rodema was found guilty of criminally negligent homicide and third-degree assault by a jury, which also found Mr. Rosenblatt not guilty of similar charges. The trial of Mr. Woodyard will take place in late October, and a trial for the paramedics is scheduled for later in 2023.
Yo. Come over here.
Don't put your hands on me, man.
Yo, they told you to stop.
I don't give a... Don't put
They
your
told
hands
you to
on
stop.
me. I don't care. You don't put your
You
hands
stop.
on me. You don't put your
They
hands
told you
on
to
me.
stop, right?
Welcome to Cops Quiz. In today's video, we're going to dive into a serious problem. Corrupt cops officers illegally arresting innocent people. It is shocking to see some law enforcement officials abuse their power and violate basic human rights. If you want to stay informed about these important issues and support our mission of bringing justice, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. On July 29, 2020, Shaun Thomas, a photographer and self-identified gadfly journalist, submitted 4 sworn affidavits to the New York Police Department Transit District 11 station. Desk Officer Geraldine Diaz accepted the documents without issue.
Your CO's in?
The CO?
Yes, yeah? Okay, I'll leave these with you then. Huh?
Just a question. I'm not. I saw I can put in my lap.
Uh-huh.
Are you working for someone in the department or something?
No,
Because I don't want to open the envelope.
they're open. They're all open.
So you want me to just
They're not sealed. Yeah, you can.
Approximately 4 months later, on December 2nd, 2020, Mr. Thomas returned to the station to deliver another affidavit, this time to Officer Mohammed Ashraf. Officer Ashraf's name was written on an unsealed standard manila envelope containing the affidavit.
The officer's name is on it. Huh?
Where's it coming from?
What? It's for the officer. Just hand it to the officer.
Yeah, but who you are?
I'm delivering, just a messenger.
Exiting a police precinct, Mr. Thomas was unexpectedly apprehended by an unidentified individual, later revealed to be an undercover officer. The use of plainclothes officers aimed at inconspicuous surveillance has stirred debate, particularly in New York. Despite the disbandment of NYPD's anti-crime units in 2020 due to concerns over excessive force and racial profiling, The deployment of plainclothes officers persists. In 2022, Mayor Eric Adams vowed to revive anti-crime units amid escalating gun violence. Plainclothes officers, though not always mandated to disclose their status, typically must identify themselves when exercising authority. The Seventh Circuit, illustrated in the Dornbos v. City of Chicago case, deemed it generally unreasonable for a plainclothes officer to withhold identification during a stop, emphasizing exceptions' rarity.
Yo. Come over here.
Don't put your hands on me, man.
Yo, they told you to stop.
I don't give a... Don't put your hands on me.
They told you to stop.
I don't care. You don't put your hands on me. You don't put your hands on me.
They told you to stop, right? Yo. They told you to come over here, man.
Yo, get your hands off me.
Come on.
Hold on. Who are you? Who are you?
I'm a cop, too.
He's a cop. Identify yourself.
He's a cop. I'm telling you.
Identify yourself.
We're all cops here. We're all cops here.
Get your hands off of me.
Don't do that. We'll put you through.
Yeah, put me through. Put me through. Put me through. We'll see how that works out.
Just sit down, man.
No, I'm not. I'm not sitting down. I'm not sitting down. That's right. Put me in cuffs. You have an obligation.
I don't know what you handed me.
Do you have a crime?
So
you don't know if you have a crime. So you don't know. That's not a reason to detain somebody. Put me in cuffs.
What's going on? You're delivering?
Put me in cuffs. You the sergeant?
Yeah.
You have a
Put your hands down. Don't fucking point at him.
You have an obligation to intervene. You have an affirmative obligation. You got a crime? You got a crime?
I don't know what you handed me.
Mr. Thomas faced a dilemma when detained by law enforcement after dropping off an envelope at a police station without disclosing its contents or providing identification. Arguing that he couldn't be detained without a specific crime being named, Mr. Thomas invoked his rights. However, the legal landscape, as defined in Illinois v. Wardlow, permits officers to conduct a brief stop based on reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. In this context, Mr. Thomas delivering documents to the police without presenting identification doesn't inherently constitute a criminal offense. However, law enforcement may argue reasonable suspicion to detain him for further investigation. The circumstances, like an unsealed envelope with visible papers, could raise concerns about potential threats, such as a chemical weapon.
What's in there? We need to know.
I'm not answering questions. Figure it out. Open it up and read it.
You work for a delivery company?
I just said I don't answer questions. Yeah? Well, we're going to see how things are done. I want everybody's card.
Don't worry, you have mine, and that's okay.
I want yours.
Time is being recorded, okay?
Good. Now, why am I being detained?
We don't know
I want suspicion of the crime. That's not how it works. You get a suspicion of the crime. Give me the suspicion of the crime.
What's up? We're going to check your pocket.
You don't have to search my pocket.
Yes, you're not custody.
It's a Fourth Amendment violation. I'm in your custody. I'm lawfully in your custody. And you have an obligation to intervene.
Who you are?
I don't give a shit what you're asking. What obligation am I under to answer your question? What lawful obligation?
We're asking you what it is. You are the one bringing this here.
That's right.
Exactly. So
that's right.
Why are you bringing here? We asked the questions here because you came into our place.
I'm under no lawful obligation to answer your questions.
I'll tell you, it's simple. We brought this here, we need to know what it is.
Okay, fine. What crime have I committed? What crime have I committed?
We're about to find out, I'll tell you that.
That's not how it works. You don't detain somebody and then go on a fishing.
The Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution safeguards against unjust searches and seizures, requiring probable cause for any arrest. Understanding the distinction between an investigatory stop and a de facto arrest is crucial. Factors such as force used, its necessity, and duration of the stop come into play. Despite not being formally arrested, Mr. Thomas's detention involving handcuffing and the discovery of a knife could be deemed a de facto arrest without probable cause. It is believed that the officer's actions violated the Fourth Amendment. Mr. Thomas filed a civil rights lawsuit and a complaint even after the charge was dismissed.
You can't just drop a package here and walk out and don't want to answer anything. We got to know what you're dropping off.
You better have a crime. You better have a crime and your ass is on the line.
What is this? What is this? Sir, what is this? What is this?
Open it.
I'm not going to open it. I don't know what is it. Where's your ID that you're a delivery person?
What obligation am I?
So do you have any cash on you? Where's your ID as a delivery person? Where's your ID? You have a delivery ID that you work for a company that you deliver package? I want to see that ID. See
I do not
you are.
consent to searches and seizures. This is against my will.
The B platform.
On July 20th, 2019, Robert Hensarling, aged 57, was pulled over by Trooper Caleb Miller of the Mississippi Highway Patrol in Lamar County for a traffic violation. Mr. Hensarling insists that Trooper Miller did not explain the reason for the stop before requesting his driver's license. In the landmark 1996 case, Wren versus United States, the Supreme Court ruled that the motive behind a traffic stop doesn't affect its legality, as long as there's a valid reason for the stop. This underscores the importance of procedural adherence over subjective motives. Drivers are reminded that while officers aren't required to disclose the reason for a stop, they must present their license upon request, as per Section 63-141 of the Mississippi Code.
Yes, sir.
Driver's license, proof of insurance.
What'd I do?
I'll get your driver's license and I'll explain it to you.
I'm working on it. No, what'd I do first? Why you pull me over? Tell me that first.
Sir, let me explain something to you.
And what's your, I know the law. No, you have to tell me why you pull me over.
I don't have to tell you
Bullshit.
why. Let's do it.
I have driver's
I have
license.
to identify you first.
No, you don't. You have my tag number right there. I do a wide. I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm just telling you. I'm not. And you're also, anyway, why'd you pull me over first? I did one wide open throttle. I'm a diagnostic mechanic. I'm just asking, and I know Jamie Atkins and all the bunch, whatever, but why'd you pull me over? No, but tell me why. You have to tell me why you pulled me over. You haven't identified yourself yet. Why did you pull me over? I did a wide open throttle, real quick. I'm a diagnostic mechanic. I'm working on a truck, and I'm heading toward a guy's house to help me with it in Columbia. Tell me why you pulled me over.
Mr. Hensarling had a legal obligation to provide his license, even if he believed the stop was unfair. He could have complied, then challenged the stop in court. He recently stated that he accelerated his truck for a diagnostic test, citing his expertise as a mechanic. While moderate acceleration is usually permissible, it may be deemed unlawful if unsafe. Mississippi statutes distinguish between careless and reckless driving. Whether Mr. Hensarling's acceleration was dangerous determines the validity of the stop. Trooper Miller instructed Mr. Hensarling to exit his vehicle, but he refused, leading to his arrest for disorderly conduct and physical removal from the vehicle. This action aligns with the 1977 Supreme Court case, Pennsylvania versus Mims, permitting officers to order drivers out of lawfully stopped vehicles. Mr. Hensarling's failure to comply likely violates Mississippi's disorderly conduct statute, Section 9735-7.
I own this truck. You can run my tag number. Brand new tag, brand new license. Tell me why. There's my proof of insurance. It has my name on it right there. I don't have to hand this to you. All I have to do is just show you. Now, tell me why you pulled me over. Tell me. No. I did one wide open throttle on my truck. I just took it 1,200 mile round trip. Jamie knows that. I sent him all the information, whatever. I was not reckless driving. I did one wide open throttle on the truck. I let off.
You want to step out your truck?
No, I'm not stepping out.
You want to step out your truck?
No.
There's no reason.
I can give you my license, but I'm not stepping out of the vehicle.
Give me a license.
No. It's very dangerous for me to be out, stepping out, you know, in this situation. You don't know me. I don't know you. No.
Disorderly?
No.
Your lawful command? Get
There's
out of
my
the
license. It's not a lawful command. No.
Get out of the vehicle.
No. There's no reason for this.
Quit reaching under the seat. You leave that license
My
right
gun's
there.
over there. There's no reason for this. You just got me this license. Do not do that. No.
Get out of the car. Get out of the truck. Get out of the truck right now. Get out of the truck.
No. There's no reason.
You're under arrest for disorderly conduct.
No. Stop it.
Get out of the truck.
Stop it.
Get out of the truck.
I have my license on. I didn't have my seatbelt on. I didn't do anything wrong.
Get out of the truck.
No.
Get out of the vehicle.
No.
Get out of the truck.
No. Stop it. No.
Get out of the truck. I'm gonna
No.
tase you. You understand? Get out of the vehicle.
No. Tase me if you want to. Tase
Get out of the
me.
vehicle.
Tase me. That shit don't bother me. You understand? Stop
Get
it.
out of the truck.
Stop it.
Get out of the truck.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Hey, we'll give you some assistance here. I need assistance on traffic stop.
Stop it. I haven't done anything wrong.
Hey, I need some assistance. Highway 98, westbound.
Stop it.
Get out of the truck
Okay,
now.
you saw me.
Get out of the truck.
You saw me. You saw me. Boom.
Get out of the truck. Get out of the truck. Get out.
Let me go.
Get out. Step out of the truck. Put your hand, boy. Come on, I'll kick your ass. Put your hands behind your back.
Let me go.
I can't breathe. Let me out. I can't breathe.
Let me out. Quit pushing on me.
Stand up.
I'm not resisting.
Stand up.
You never told me I was under arrest. It's disorderly. Now. Right now. I'm not a threat to you. Let go of what?
Let go of my handcuffs.
Get over here to me. Please sit down.
Stop that. Let me go. Where can I go?
Drawing from the 2014 case Rogowski versus State, where disorderly conduct charges were upheld, Mr. Hensarling's situation is similar. He's accused of DUI, speeding, tailgating, and resisting arrest. He pleads guilty and faces fines and jail time. Trooper Miller receives praise for maintaining professionalism. Criticism arises for the lack of emphasis on de-escalation before using force. Mr. Hensarling's ignorance of ID rules, disobedience, and resistance lead to a failing grade. Trooper Miller's decision to use force without waiting for backup is concerning, especially considering Mr. Hensarling mentioned having a pistol in the car. Experts advise against detaining potentially armed individuals alone, and Trooper Miller's deviation from protocol may lead to civil action. Hopefully, the video has conveyed the crucial message about the importance of justice and transparency in society. Please leave a comment sharing your thoughts and share this video with your friends, family, and community. Each share is a significant step in spreading the message about the necessity of addressing corruption and building a fairer society. Don't forget to subscribe to the Cops Quiz channel to stay updated on future videos discussing important community issues. Goodbye, and see you next time.